The Fed has dropped a reference to being patient and opened a door to a future rate cut if economic activity deteriorates. Beware of Fed speak. Fed watchers pay a lot of attention to the way the Fed parses its words. Yet former Fed Chairman Alan Greenspan is famous for saying, "If you think you understood me, I misspoke." The Fed likes to open doors, but just like an options contract, there is the right to do something, but there is no obligation. The Fed has opened the door, but will it walk through the door at its next meeting on July 31st? Possibly, and the market certainly thinks a rate cut is coming based on probabilities from the CME's FedWatch tool. Just a caution, though. The next set of jobs data may see a strong bounce back, and Q2 real GDP is tracking close to a 3% annualized gain. These are not numbers a data-dependent Fed can use to justify a rate cut, impatient or not.